welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do another negative space swipe. I know I've been doing a lot lately, but it's just really fun and I really like to try new things. So I saw Saskia Smit do this one on her channel a while back and I thought I'd give it a go. So I already prepped my canvas. I put some black paint on it. The paint is from Liable, just a normal black. It's mixed with my pouring medium. And I'm going to do an all blue swipe with gold. So this is phthalo blue by Amsterdam. Mixed with my pouring medium. Then I've got some primary blue by Amsterdam. Let's put a little bit more of that phthalo blue on. And I've got some metallic blue. This is just a cheap craft paint. Also mixed with my pouring medium. So my pouring medium is 60% Cleopatra PVA glue and 40% water. My swiping color is going to be Lukas Gold mixed with my pouring medium. I don't know if this is going to work. I haven't tested it, so this is actually a first. So keep your fingers crossed for me that it does something. And let's do a little swipe. Like so. I think it might be a little bit thick. Let's try with a little bit more water. It's always hard to figure out where you want to start. It's doing something, but not a lot, so I'm going to swipe a little bit with my black, which is Oxide Black by Amsterdam. This is not as minimal as I wanted it to be, but I love the black ghost swipe on the sides, so I'm hoping it will dry the same. Let's see, is there... I'm going to give it a little tiny spin just to see if there's not too much paint on here. I think I'm going to have to babysit this one, but fingers crossed, it dries nice. Thank you for watching and I'll show you the dry result. Bye everyone!